Hello, everyone. My name is Joelle, and welcome to day one of our 28-day head-to-toe yoga challenge. Today will be our full body warm-up. So come to standing with the legs together and the hands to prayer in front of the heart, and close the eyes. Start to take some nice deep breaths in and out through the nose, and just notice how you're feeling from your head all the way down to your toes. And you can open the eyes. Let's toe heel the feet wider apart, a little bit wider than hips width. Take hold of opposite elbows and let's let the upper body hang. And just start swaying it side to side. So just a little rocking motion. You can take it as slow or as fast as you would like. You can keep the knees bent or straight. Maybe speeding it up a little bit, finding some movement in the lower back, in the hips. Just getting ready here. And then you can slow that motion down, let the upper body find the center. Release the elbows and let's turn the upper body towards the right to lower the left knee into kind of a short lunge, a boxy lunge here, as we reach the left arm up and overhead. So reaching a little bit towards the right, just slightly behind you to open up through that side body and into the right hip flexors as well. Beautiful. And you can plant the hands down and let the hips sink backwards, maybe sitting all the way back onto that left heel. And flexing through that right foot, finding a hamstring and a calf stretch here. And sending those deep breaths wherever you feel the stretch. And then let's walk the hands forwards. We'll wiggle that back foot back a little bit into a longer lunge, keeping that back knee lifted, and reach the right arm up for the sky as you come into an easy twist here. So left hand pressing down into the mat, right arm reaching in opposition. Just wringing out through the spine here. And then we'll set the back knee down, coming back through hands and knees. Plant the hands, tuck the toes, and make our way back into downward facing dog. And take the opportunity here to find any small movements. You might shake out the neck, you might pedal the feet, bringing a little bit more life into the backs of those legs and into the shoulders. And then finding stillness in your down dog. And exhaling to lower the knees. And we'll step that left foot forward now into that boxy lunge. Resting the left hand to the front thigh and reaching the right arm up and over towards the left, slightly behind you. Just enjoying that nice stretch all the way down through the right side of the body. And I would recommend that you repeat this warm-up every day during our 28-day challenge before that day's practice to get yourself going. Beautiful. Let's sink the hips back now, maybe sitting onto the back heel, maybe flexing through that left foot now to intensify a little bit the sensation in the back of the left leg. And by the end of the month, if you repeat this one every day, I'm sure you'll be surprised at how much more easily this warm-up sequence will feel for you. As we bring ourselves back forward, wiggle that back foot back a little bit, lift the back knee off as we come into that easy twist, reaching the left arm up towards the sky, maybe even a little bit behind you for an additional stretch in the chest area. Still keeping those deep waves of breath going here. And then planting that left hand back down, bringing yourself back through hands and knees for just 2 rounds of cat and cow, inhaling to arch the spine and look up. And exhale to dome through the upper back. And again, inhale, looking towards the sky as you arch the back. And exhaling to press the floor away. And then finding a neutral spine, let's tuck the toes and float the knees just an inch or two off the mat. Engaging through the abs here, really pressing the floor away with the hands strong through the shoulders here. Just another breath in. And on an exhale, let those knees come back down towards the mat. Wonderful. Untuck the toes and let's just walk the hands forward to find our puppy stretch. Sinking the forehead down in the direction of the mat as the hips stay over the knees. Coming back to the breath here. Just in and out through the nose. You could close the eyes. And let's walk our hands back. Make your way all the way back into child's pose, sitting back towards the heels. Arms still reaching in front, enjoying any sensations this may bring up, perhaps in the lower back or the shoulders or any other part of your body, which hopefully we'll be getting to know a little bit better over the next 28 days. Wonderful, and lift yourself back up. Let's come back to a comfortable seat. Roll the shoulders back, bring the hands to prayer back in front of the chest. Coming back to the breath again, noticing how you feel now, hopefully a little bit more open and ready to face the rest of your day with a smile and a feeling of being proud of yourself and the healthy habit that you're creating through this 28-day challenge with me. And I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow for day 2, which will be our yoga for the head practice. Until then, well done today, and namaste.